So it's a new day. Some of the stuff I want to get done today is I'm going to go through and put tack welds on the subframe, see if it's going to hold. After that, I picked up some tracks for my gantry, and so I'm going to be installing those. So if you stay tuned, enjoy it all. All right, so I picked up some tracks for my gantry, and I'm hoping they'll work. I'm going to take them out of the box and see if they will. I mean, it's a pretty good sized beam, and that's their design. Okay, now we'll climb up here, get a measurement. Looks like we are 4 inches. So I went ahead and put one together. This is kind of how it looks. I'll go ahead and we'll put this one together on the video so you guys can see. Relatively pretty much self-explanatory. Not a lot to them. I figure it's a good day to work on this. We've got a bit of a storm coming through. Normally my rule is that the door either has to be all the way open or all the way shut. That's how it was at my shop, my old shop. But seeing as how it's just me, it's not that big of a deal. All right, so I got one counter key. Where's my other counter key? Might still be on the bottom. Oh, there it is. All right, so comes with the 2 plates, the wheels. It's kind of a sealed bearing deal. They don't have any zerks. I don't know if I like that a lot. I would like it if they had zerks. So I'm not sure how that's supposed to work. We got some hail coming through, so I'll throw in a little music while I'm putting this together. All right, well, that was interesting. Had a bit of a storm come through, got pretty loud. So I've got the deals all ready to go. Now all I gotta do is just put them up there. See how much fun that's gonna be. so there's that. Now, I gotta get that hoist off. And it looks like it's more towards that side, so we'll go to the other side. And we'll there we go. I'll have to put that. I know, you just, it's whatever tool you got in your hand, you know. I don't know where I'm gonna use this, but I did. All right, got that one hanging. I just got to come over. Now this hoist here I think is only 1,000 pound, or a 1 ton, 2,000 pound. I guess they call them trains. They are 2 ton, and the whole unit should be 3 ton. So now we put together this 2 ton hoist. Now the 1 ton, I know that came from Harbor Freight, and it's been a pretty good hoist. It's never had any trouble lifting anything I've needed it to lift. Okay. Do this the nice way. Lots of chain. And having this system will make life very easy as far as lifting stuff one side to the other and stuff. This one is rated at 2 ton. Eventually I'll replace that 1 ton with a 2 ton. I might take and put the 1 ton in the center and just keep it in the center there. And I've got my 2 tons whenever I need it. So we will go ahead and put the other hoist up. There we go. Just that simple. Oh yeah, so that one is just a 1 ton. It's just got a single. One ton's faster because it's a single, and of course this is a double. Well, it would probably take that'll work. And she's been there parked out of the way. Well, that part's done. So now on to what I want to do to the frame. I'm also going to be cutting some more metal off, so not sure if I'll get that in the video, but I might. I need some frame. Here. All right. Not the world's greatest welder. Those didn't turn out too awful, man. So, all right, let's see if those hold. She is fully welded. That should get plenty of frame reinforcement between the tops and the sides. Alright, so that's going to close out this video. So we got the frame, subframe kind of tack welded on there. Still up in the air about it. But also we got the new trolleys put in. And I think those will work out. Pretty sure I'm going to go with the 2-ton chain hoist, and then take the 1-ton, just put in the center for smaller stuff. Going to be trying to scoot this back and see if she can be lifted. And if it can be lifted and I can drive the truck under it, then I can at least start setting the bed on there, or be able to drive the truck in, have the bed up in the air, bring the bed down, see if there's any changes I need to make. Whether I keep the subframe or not, that 2 inches could make all the difference in the world. Then again, if I set it on there, it might not make any difference at all. But hopefully we're going to find out. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, share, tell your friends about it. And we'll keep rolling on this thing. Like I've said, I'm just one guy. I do this stuff when I've got time. Hopefully here I'll be able to start doing a lot more and have a lot more time as the weather gets better. So I hope you all have a good day, and if you like the video, check out that one over there, or that one over there. I usually try to get a couple up and watch, see what's going on. Y'all take care.